In front of me a Nintendo Switch charging kit. There's basically two component parts on it. By the way, it's available with low cost small parcel delivery. So we have a 3-pin plug here, USB output on it, and it's 2.1 amp output on it. And it's best to have something like that simply because it'll charge your Nintendo much quicker. So we have this, and then the next thing here is that we have the actual cable. So we have our standard USB connection here, and we have a USB-C type connection here. And the great thing about these is they're the new fast type chargers that are becoming the dominant type of connection. Okay, and what we're going to do here is just have that connection there, push it in, and now we have the full kit for charging your Nintendo Switch. We actually have a car version of this as well, which is quite popular. So it's just a very neat way of charging your Nintendo, and it's handy both if you lose the power unit that you have, you want a low cost way of doing it, or if you just have the Switch, let's say, and you're using it in 2 locations, rather than moving the power unit continuously with you can just bring the basic unit itself and use this for charging it. So that's it anyway, the Nintendo Switch charger kit available with low cost parcel delivery from freetv.ie.